Last video, I gave an introduction regarding arithmetic progression. Now let's see deep into it, how to calculate the common difference and what is the first term and all that. So here it is given, arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, right? So each number is called a term. In a sequence, each number is called 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are called terms. In a sequence, they are not called numbers, but they are called as terms. So now list of numbers in which each term, so each number is a term. And what is the first number? The first number 1 is called as A. A is the first one, that is A1 or A. A is the first number of the first term of the sequence. A is the first term of the sequence. And the difference between these two numbers is the common difference. The difference between common difference is the difference between common difference D. Common difference is nothing but D, and it is the difference between these two numbers that is called the common difference D. So first term is A1 or A. This is the first term of the sequence, and the difference between these two numbers is called the common difference or D. It's called the common difference or D. So let's first consider this example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we know the first term is nothing but A1 is nothing but 1. The first term is nothing but 1. How to find out the common difference? We have to find out the common difference D to find out whether the sequence is in AP or not. If the common difference is not fixed, it is not in AP. See, suppose if we have, as I told in the previous video, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 11. Here the common difference 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, but 8 minus 7 is not 2. 8 minus 7 is not 2. So this sequence is not in AP. So to be in AP, the difference should be fixed number. So let's come to this example. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to find out the common difference? A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2 is second term. A2 is the second term. 2 minus A1 is the first term. 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. A3 minus A2. What is A3? What is the third term? Third term is A3. What is A3? 3. 3 minus 2 is again 1. A4 minus A3. What is A4? A4, the fourth term is 4. What is the third term? 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So the difference here is common. So this one is called the common difference. One is called the common difference or D. This is how we find the common difference. We subtract the second term and the first term, third term and the second term, fourth term and the third term, and so on. Fifth term and the fourth term. We subtract the immediate two terms to get the common difference. So 1 is the common difference D. Here in this case, 1 is the common difference D. We will see the next example, how to find out the common difference in these examples. Next example, 100, 70, 40, 10 and so on. What is the first number here? First number A1 is the first term, that is 100. How to find out the common difference? Second term minus first term. So A2 minus A1. What is A2? 70. 70 minus 100, that is equal to minus 30. Do you remember in the last video I had added minus 30 to the first number 100. I had added 100 plus minus 30 to get 70. So how will I get this minus 30? Subtracting second term and the first term. A2 minus A1, I get minus 30. A3 minus A2. What is A3? 40. 40 minus 70, that is again equal to minus 30. Next, A4 minus A3. A4 is 10. 10 minus 40, again it is minus 30. So what is the common difference in this question? The common difference that is D is equal to minus 30. So the sequence will follow by adding minus 30. 10 plus minus 30 minus 20. Minus 20 plus minus 30. So minus 20 plus minus 30 is minus 50. And the sequence will continue in this pattern, by adding minus 30. Similarly, we will see the other two examples also. So you understand better what is A and what is common difference and how to find it out. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Minus 2, A1 is minus 3. What is the first term? A1. A1 is minus 3. To find out the common difference, A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 2 minus of minus 3, because my A2 is minus 2. We already have a minus here, and A1 is minus 3. So minus 2 minus of minus 3. So minus 2 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So 3 minus 2, 1 is the common difference. A3 minus A2. What is A3? Minus 1 minus, what is A2? Minus 2. Minus of minus 2. Already we have minus 1, the term. Here 1 minus, and instead of A2 we will be writing it as minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus of minus is plus 2. Minus into minus plus. Minus 1 plus 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Again A4 minus A3. A4 is nothing but 0. Minus of minus 1. So 0 minus into minus plus, 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. Again the common difference here is 1. So what is the common difference here? Common difference is 1. And so with this we can find out the other terms also. See, here the common difference is 1. So what will be the next term? 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Again the common difference is 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. And the sequence continues. So friends, you try this sum 6, 9, 12, 15. Try to find out the first term. What is A1, common difference, and the next 3 terms. And please mention in the comment box whether you are able to find out the answer. For this 6, 9, 12, 15 sequence, find out the first term, common difference, and the next 3 terms. And please mention in the comment box whether you are able to understand the concept and whether you are able to find out the answer. Okay friends. And one more thing, common difference can be negative, positive, and also 0. Common difference need not be positive alone. Common difference can be negative, common difference can be negative, positive, or 0. It can be negative, positive or 0, but the difference should be the same. The number should be fixed in all the difference should be the fixed in between the terms. See, suppose we have 3, 3, 3, 3 and so on. This is also AP because 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. That is A2 minus A1 is 0. A3 minus A2 is 0. A4 minus A3, that is 3 minus 3 0. So here the common difference is 0. So the difference can be 0, or as we saw in this sum it was minus 30, it can be negative, or in this sum it was plus 1, it can be positive. So the common difference can be negative, positive or 0. And one more thing I want to tell you is, there are two types of AP, that is finite AP and infinite AP. Finite AP and infinite AP. What is finite AP? If the AP ends in without continuing, it is a finite AP. Suppose if I say I invest rupees that temperature the minimum temperature recorded in a city in a week. The minimum temperature recorded in a city in a week. See, suppose minus 3, 3.5, minus 2.5, 1 degree Celsius, 4 degree Celsius, 3 degree Celsius, minus 3.5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the minimum temperature recorded in a city. Minus 4 degree Celsius, minus 3 degree Celsius, minus 2 degree Celsius, minus 1 degree Celsius, 0, 1, 2. The AP is ending with this 2. So this is called finite AP. This is called finite AP because it is ending with the 7 numbers, because if the temperature is for a week and so the numbers are ending with the 7 terms. There are numbers ending with the 7 terms, so it is called as finite AP. But in this case 1, 2, 3, 4 and the sequence continues, it is called infinite AP. This is called as infinite AP because the numbers keep on continuing and it has no end, so it is called infinite AP. Suppose we are told that 7 prizes are given to children of 500, 300, 1000, 750, 500, 750, 650, 550, 450, 350, 250 and 150. So 7 prizes are given to children from rupees 750 to the first prize is 750 and the last prize is 150. So this follows a sequence and this is a finite AP because there are only 7 terms. So this is called finite AP because it is ending at a number. But if it is not ending and it is the sequence is continuing, it is called as infinite AP. And AP follows the AP is represented in such a way that A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. A is the first term and D is the common difference. This is the representation of AP. AP is represented in this way. It is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. So representation of AP is this, and A is the first term, D is a common difference. Okay friends, if you please try this last sum and find out first term, common difference, and next three terms. And comment in the comment box whether were you able to find out the answer for the question, and we'll move on to questions so that you will be able to easily understand the arithmetic progression. Okay friends, if you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.